Along with our in-house design and engineering capability, we also have significant capacity within our production factory. Some of these capabilities include a 12,000 square metre undercover factory, which includes a dedicated fabrication bay and a container modification bay. We have a number of certified tradespeople within our team, which include certified boilermakers, painters and electricians. Being ISO 9001 certified, this provides our customers with confidence in our product. Also on site we have 2 paint booths, one for general fabrication products like our workbenches, lockers, certified lifting cages, etc. And also another paint booth for all our relocatable site solutions. Also, as part of our capability, we can supply full engineering drawings for our projects. This is all completed in-house, along with any factory acceptance testing and all documentation required, whether that be MDRs, ITPs, electrical certification. Every one of our products and projects that go through the factory go through a rigorous QA process and are tested and signed off in accordance with the QA process.